Improve more lives. These 3 words serve as this year's campaign goal and also capture the essence of United Way's mission in Douglas County, making a positive difference in the lives of people to advance the common good. United Way focuses on 3 key areas: education, financial stability, and health. When people are educated, financially stable, and healthy, their lives are improved. It sounds so simple, but it isn't. The issues facing our community are immense. In fact, 20 years ago, a group of community leaders met to assess the greatest needs in Douglas County. They set some ambitious goals to help us create a better future for all. Serve people better by encouraging social service agencies to work together. Increase high-quality, affordable childcare so kids enter school ready to learn and continue on the path to success, thanks to quality after-school and mentoring programs. Improve access to affordable health care, and provide more safe and affordable housing. Over the past 20 years, United Way has been addressing many of the issues identified in the needs assessment. They include coordination and collaboration between United Way partners and others in the community to focus on avoiding duplication, working collaboratively on common goals. As a result, people in crisis are benefiting from our community's strengthened referral services and wraparound care.
The amount of coordination and collaboration I think the United Way tries to bring about, broadly is really important. Effort, whether we're talking about health care, child care, transportation, or whatever. In our report, we use the word coordination, but it's really collaboration, and I think we need to just realize that that's what's going to make it work. And if you think about the community in the long term, if children are not well served, they become adults who have greater needs. We can afford health care, as seen to me, affordable health care for people, children and such, and do it in a way that meets their needs and meets the community's needs. United Way is probably the only agency, and maybe kind of philosophy, if you will, that really focuses on bringing these together. Without good collaboration in a community and bringing about improved services, it's just more costly. And so we can prevent that and keep the focus on how do we, work across agencies in meeting particular needs. United Way seems to be very effective in that area in working with all sources.
I think this community has always been good at individual agencies moving forward to fill a niche. So how do you make sure people who need information have the information that they don't even know that they need yet? It's only in the last 5 or 6 years that a number of different agencies came together and collaborated on the Human Service Map. And so they address such basic issues in the life of people, health, education, their welfare, housing, transportation, family self-sufficiency. So continuing work in this area, I think, is just so critical for the individual families and for the community itself. I think education is the single most important element, as we know, that will propel people forward.
So what about the next 20 years? What do we want Douglas County to look like in 2035?
I want a community where people always have a safe place to sleep and are never hungry.
I want a world where all kids have the support they need to do well in school. I want a world where everybody else can go to the doctor so they can get well. I want everyone to love school. I want everyone to be healthy.
Together, we continue our progress towards finding lasting solutions to our community's greatest needs. United Way makes a difference every day in Douglas County. When you give to United Way, you are part of the difference.
Great things happen when we live united.
Let's live united!